Hello bachcho, we are now going to start our study on a very important, a very large chapter, indefinite integration. Abhi bachcho, this video is on the first of the series and we are going to study the chapter of integration in 5 different parts, and in each part there will be few videos. Like part 1 there will be videos like 1A, 1B, 1C. Similarly part 2 there will be 2A, 2B, 2C. I am purposely making these videos of a short duration between 10 to 15 minutes so that you understand one concepts clearly, note down and then go further. My request is you must see all these videos serially, like 1A, 1B, 1C, complete series 1, then 2A, 2B, 2C, like that. In first part, we are going to study introduction, basic formulae and rules. In second part, we will study the methodology of integration by substitution. You may not understand this immediately, but this is just to give you the overview. Then we will study in part 3 some special integrals. Part 4 will consist of the integration by parts. This is the method of integration. And in part 5, we will study integration by partial fraction. In each part, I will clarify the basic concepts of mathematics connected with this particular chapter. Now, you must understand that to understand integration, we have studied the chapter differentiation. Hope you have not forgotten. I have loaded videos of that similarly in various parts. So, I will just quickly revise the concept of differentiation. This is a part 1A, indefinite integration. But as I said in the introduction, first I will clarify the concepts of differentiation. Differentiation has many applications. Now what is differentiation? Differentiation is dy by dx, means differentiation of y with respect to x, derivative of y with respect to x. It is also denoted by y dash, or derivative of function of x with respect to x is also denoted by f dash x. It is equal to the formula which I have given, and that is known as Leibniz notation. It is also limit as delta x tends to 0 of the ratio delta y upon delta x. That is nothing but dy by dx. What is delta x? A small change in variable x. What is delta y? A corresponding change in y. So you take a small change in x, write down what is the small change in y, corresponding change in y, and take the limit of this ratio as delta x is tending to 0. That gives you derivative of y with respect to x. Now we had also seen if you have a curve y is equal to fx, then slope of a tangent is given by dy by dx. We also know rate of change of y with respect to x is dy by dx. What is velocity, bachcho? Rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So if you denote the velocity by s, and if you denote displacement by x, and if you denote time by t, then you get velocity as ds by dt. समझ गए बच्चों? What is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. Now we know velocity is v and time is t. So dv by dt gives us acceleration. These are some of the simple applications of differentiation. Now we know that we have certain standard formulae of differentiation which are given here, which are already in your book, and I hope you have by-hearted this. Again, standard formulae. And these are certain rules of differentiation which we have studied thoroughly in our chapter of differentiation. Why I am telling you all these things in short? Because all these you must revise before you start studying integration. These are some formulae of inverse functions of differentiation. Now, we had also studied, while solving certain problems of differentiation, some useful substitutions. Some useful substitutions are required for simplification. They are equally applicable for this chapter of integration. While explaining you these useful substitution, I had said that these are used in different chapters. So please bear in mind. It is very easy to remember. We also saw whenever in the example there is 1 minus cos x or 1 plus cos x, if such term comes, we eliminate 1 by using double angle formulae of cos x. And one very important thing we had seen about log, if anything raised to log of some number to the same base, यहाँ a है, here also a is there, the value becomes simply x. याद रखो ये सब. Now we see what is integration. I am not going to make this video very long. Now what is integration? Now we know if y is equal to, let us say, tan x, then you know dy by dx is equal to sec square x. This is differentiation of y with reference to x. So in short we say that tan x, derivative of tan x is sec square x. In simple language, derivative of tan x is sec square x. And one important thing we know, derivative of tan x, what? With respect to x. This is important. Is sec square x. Now, of sec square x is tan x. So I am just writing ulta. So what is ulta of derivative? Integration or integral. So integral of sec square x with respect to x is tan x. समझ गए? And how it is written? This is the integral sign. Integral of sec square x. And how I write? Dx with respect to x. In derivative, this dx comes in the denominator. Now here it comes in the as a multiplication. So what is the meaning of that? This entire symbol, integral sec square x dx, means integral of sec square x with respect to x becomes tan x. समझ गए बच्चों मीनिंग ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन? चलो, नाउ आई विल गिव वन मोर एग्जांपल. व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x with respect to x? Is 1 upon x. Now this gives me, if I write integration of 1 upon x with respect to x will be log x. So integration of 1 upon x and with respect to x means I write in the numerator here will be nothing but log x. समझ गए बच्चों? जरा वीडियो पॉज करके ये देख लीजिए. Let us take one more example. Derivative of sin x with respect to x is what? All these things you must remember. Cos x. So this gives me the result. Integration of, this is integral sign. ये लिखने की जरा अच्छी तरह से कोशिश करो. Integration of cos x with respect to x will be nothing but sin x. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग देखेंगे. Now derivative of e raised to x with respect to x क्या होता है? e raised to x. Now this gives me what? Integral of this e raised to x with respect to x will be again e raised to x. समझ गए बच्चों इंटीग्रेशन का मतलब? Now can you think of any other formula of differentiation? Think. चलो I will tell you. Derivative of cot x with respect to x is minus cosec square x. Now you should not forget this sign. Integral of minus cosec square x with respect to x will be cot x. Now remember, this integration is like a bracket. You can take this minus outside, multiply minus 1 by both sides. So it gives integration of cosec square x with respect to x will be minus cot x. समझ गए बच्चों? Good. Now I am going to give you in next video standard integration formulae. Now this is one of the formula. How we have derived? Based on differentiation. Based on differentiation. Now your duty is to remember all those formulae, correct? And then we will solve the examples. समझ गए बच्चों? तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफी. Hope you have understood the concept of integration. If not, please write in the comment बच्चों. Thank you.